Hi guys, welcome back to my videos. Yes, today we shall be dealing with this Himel multifunction meter. Yeah, this is a Himel multifunction meter. I have the manual book here. It's a manual book. Actually, this is the one which will guide us on how to go about it. But first, before we go for programming and setting and all the necessary setting, first I'll show you how just to scroll through, how to go through different checking different parameters, yeah, or rather checking the different readings. Yeah, already here this is a small SMDB. You can see it is small in size. You can see it here. It's very small in size. You can see it from inside. You can see our city, our four cities there. Yes. 3 cities there for the multifunction meter, and 1 city will be connected to the capacitor bank. Yeah, this one can be a small MDB or a small SMDB. Yeah, it can be an MDB. Yeah. Actually, for the small villa, for a very small villa, you can use this one. Then your main supply will come there, and your readings will be from there, and your capacitor bank. Then it can be connected from the meter cabinet to this place here. So this is the wiring of our multifunction meter. This one city number 1, city number 2, city number 3. This is the voltages here, the voltage up here, and also the live and the neutral down there for the display. This for reading the current, this for reading the current, and this one's for reading the voltage. Just 2 cables just for looping to take down here, and we have our lamps there, and there are 3 fuses there for supplying. So I'll just show you how to navigate to check the different readings here. So you can use this arrow. So you can see that is the 3 phase. Actually, you can see this is the each phase, the voltage. This phase, the red phase, the yellow phase, and the blue phase, the voltage denoted by U. So the 3 phase is between red and yellow, yellow and blue, and this one is between blue and red here. So the voltage, and down here it is just showing the active power. That is the arms. In our case, we don't have any load, so we don't expect to have any arms for each and every city. That A is for the red city, B is for the yellow city, and C is for the blue city. And down there, kVARH, actually that one is the reactive power. Yeah. And there we have different readings. The W, that one will denote our active power. VAR is the reactive power, and the VA is the apparent power, or the supplied power, or the generated power. And you can see the kVAR there, so there is the reactive power. So the P denotes the active power, or the real power, or the useful power. The Q here will denote the reactive power, and the S here, it denotes the apparent power. Yeah. So you can see That one is showing for the red face, for the blue face, for the yellow face. I mean, you see the B for the blue face. The same thing, and that's for the blue face. Yeah. So then we have our power factor. At the moment it's showing 0.9. I know it is not connected anywhere. That is our frequency, which is 50 hertz, and the voltage. Yeah, it's showing 0. It shouldn't be showing 0. It should be showing some voltage there. So the power factor of the 3, because we have 3 CTs, so this is the power factor of the 3 CTs. So, and this one is something here. Here is the switching output and switching input and all that. We don't have to go into all that. Yeah. Okay. So the next thing, yeah, we go back. Now, if we want to access inside, yeah, we want to access our parameter and do the setting. Yeah, there are different parameters here. So how do you go about it? You have to press this one for 3 seconds, then it will start with setting. It will start with setting. And how do you scroll down through these different parameters? You have the first one, which is the setting. Then, yeah, that is the system setting. Then we have the input. That's the first one. Then we have the signal input. We have the communication setting, threshold of minimum metering value, switch output. Then we have the analog output. Yeah. And now how do you go about it? Now you can very fast go through the different, you see, that one is the signal input. Yeah, that is the communication setting. That is the threshold of the minimum metering value. Okay, that is the switching output. Yeah, different switching output, analog output setting also. So we are not interested in all that. The most important thing we can go to for the setting. So how do I access the setting? You press set. So set has got different, it has got three DISP, DISL, which is time in seconds, and CLRE. So how do you go through all that? So you see, this is the scan DISL, CLRE. So what is DISP? DISP is just about the display there, the LCD and LED. It's not important. Yeah, we go to the second one. And how do I access, how do I go deeper into this? I press set. Yeah. That one is the time in seconds, which is 120 seconds in our case. The time in second when the display will go blank. Yeah, just 2 minutes. You see the display now, it is highlighting, it has the light. When I'm done with whatever I'm done, it will go blank after 2 minutes. So now it is indicating that I can do what? It is indicating that I can change the time. Yeah, you see, but I'm not interested in that. So if I want to go to the next one, just press there. If I want to go to the next one, I press there. I want to go to the next, I press there. And once I'm done, still it is, because it is blinking. Yeah? This one is for exit and also for saving. I can exit further. Yeah, and I can even go back like that. So yeah. So what's our next? Our next is the system signal input. That's what we're interested in. So we go in signal input. What am I interested in at the moment? So I can scroll through signal input. I go to the CT. How do I set the CT ratio? So what do? I go inside. It is 60. How did I came about 60? I may show how I came about with this figure that I have already programmed 60. I go inside here. Our CT is 300 is to 5. 300 is to 5. So, what's shown here, as indicated here in our book, what you do, you take the primary side, it's just the ratio of the primary and the secondary. Like they have shown there, the primary is 100 amps and the secondary is 5 amps. So it's 100 you divide by 5 and you get 20. Actually, if our city could be 100 is to 5, I could have set 20. But in our case, it is 300 is to 5. So 300 divided by 5, what do you come up with? Come up with the number 60. Okay? Now, that one is already saved. Okay, if I want to go to the next, this one can move. I can move like that, can move like that, can move like that. Then it's saved already. So to save and to exit, I press that one, I press that one. So, but I have something else. I have something else. I have PT. What is PT? PT is the voltage ratio. If we had a transformer, for secondary side and for primary side that is feeding our supply here, that one we could have considered programming the PT ratio. Just the voltage transmission ratio, but now we are getting our voltage direct from the bypass. So there is no PT ratio setting here. Yeah, there's no PT ratio setting. As you can see indicated here, PT ratio setting. If maybe our transformer was 10 kV is to 100 voltage or something like that, but now there's no setting there. If I go inside, yeah, there's no setting, so I just leave it as it is. Actually, as it is from the manufacturer, or rather, even I can make it complete 0. Because it is showing here is from 1 to 900, so I leave it at 1 colors. Then what's the next thing there? The next thing there is the network. how it is working. In this case, if it is 0, 0, 0, that one means 3 phase 4 wire. Again, the same thing they have repeated down there. If it is 0, 0, 0, 1 means also 3 phase 4 wire. So if I enter, what do I find? 0, 0, 0, 1. 3 phase 4 wire. Okay. So what do I do? Now I go back. Go back. Go back. Yeah. What's the next thing? Okay. The next thing is CRO. Yeah. Yeah. Now this one is just the threshold of the voltage. If the voltage is less than the voltage is less than 0.5 as indicated there, yeah, it will not if it is less than 0.5, it will not show in our display. Yeah, that is the secondary side. Okay. And that is the current ratio. If the current ratio, let's say, is less than 0.1 amps, although here it is showing 10, yeah? If it is less than 0.1, the current should be not, yeah, it is indicated here. Actually it is 0, 001 means 0010. It means if it is less than 0.1, the display is not indicate. Yeah. So what else do we take about this? So exit. Yeah. So I don't think there's much to be programmed here, because when you come, I think that's the most important thing, because when it comes to communication, this it has something to do with softwares and all that. And we have alarms here. We don't have anything output, analog output. We are not getting any other information out. Yeah. Because there is this part down here for the output information that we are not dealing with that. So we leave as it is. That's enough for today. We are done with our program. Okay, see you guys. Thank you. Next time.